Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Datadog for monitoring VDS/VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Datadog for monitoring VDS or VPS, start by ensuring you have a Datadog account. If you do not have one, visit the Datadog website and sign up for an account. Once your account is set up, log in to the Datadog dashboard. Navigate to the integrations page from the main menu. In the search bar, type agent and select the agent integration. Click on the Install button to access installation instructions. Choose the appropriate installation method for your server's operating system. For Linux, follow the instructions provided, which typically include running commands in the terminal. Make sure to copy your unique Datadog API key from your API settings. Paste this API key into the installation command as instructed. Proceed with the installation by executing the command in your terminal. Once the agent is installed, start the Datadog agent service with the command specified. To verify if the agent is running correctly, use the status command provided in the documentation. If you encounter any issues, check the logs for error messages or guidance. Next, set up your monitoring preferences in the Datadog dashboard. You can create dashboards and alerts according to your monitoring needs. Review the official Datadog documentation for additional features and configurations. After configuration, ensure your servers are being monitored as expected on the dashboard. Regularly check your Datadog account and adjust settings as needed for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.